Why does your scanner show the P0413 engine code? What does it mean? P0413 is a diagnostic trouble code for secondary air injection system switching valve A, circuit open. This error code indicates it means your car's computer has detected an open circuit, short or voltage signal that is too low for the air valve that regulates emissions during cold starts. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty SAI pump relay, wiring or connector issues, blown SAI system fuse, bad air injection pump, faulty air bypass solenoid or valve. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Volkswagen, Audi, and Mercedes-Benz. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.